Have you ever thought about how applications have changed over time? In this video, you'll see the journey from creating software in large structures to developing applications from the early days and then moving on to the edge. Over time, the evolution of technology has transformed how applications are both built and run. From the early days of mainframes and punch cards to today's edge computing and containerization, the process has become faster, more efficient, and accessible to a wider audience. Developers now harness the power of diverse programming languages, frameworks, and deployment options, shaping a dynamic landscape that continues to revolutionize how we interact with technology. In the early 1990s, the Internet boom marked a new era in computing. Data centers and bare metal servers gained prominence, hosted within businesses' own premises. This marked the start of application deployment. Client-server architecture was introduced, where applications were divided into two, the client on their device handling the user interface, and the server crunching data and doing the heavy lifting. Scalability and remote access were now possible due to this split. To revolutionize in the end of 1990s and beginning of 2000s, here comes the World Wide Web and its evolutions, bringing web applications into the mix. With popular languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, web browsers, on one end, acted as the clients, and the server, on the other end, hosted the operation. Software development across platforms was never easier. As complexity grew, modularity became the name of the game. Businesses shared facilities for their servers, focusing on core applications while external providers managed infrastructure. Leasing servers from providers and dividing them into virtual servers boosted efficiency. With service-oriented architecture, SOA, applications became a bunch of reusable, independent services communicating with each other over networks. It was all about encapsulating functionalities and expanding possibilities. And then, software as a service, SaaS, allowed web-based software access, cutting costs. Cloud computing emerged, enabling scalable, on-demand resources, while CDN improved content delivery, and some now famous players led the charge. Developers could now harness virtualized resources promptly, making applications more flexible, cost-effective, and available anytime, anywhere. From 2010s, microservices and containerization became significant, ensuring consistent application performance, allowing applications to be packed into portable, lightweight containers. With Kubernetes as the conductor, orchestration was greatly simplified alongside deploying and managing apps. CDN became essential for security and DDoS protection, and their integration with cloud services and emergence of edge computing capabilities positioned them as crucial components of the modern Internet infrastructure. Serverless architecture and edge computing emerged later, freeing developers and pushing computation closer to sources because the provider handles server administration tasks, allowing developers to focus solely on their application without worrying about infrastructure, facilitating the implementation of microservices that gained attention and adoption within the software industry. In the 2020s, edge computing takes the front to enhance modern digital experiences, emphasizing abstraction, scalability, and efficiency. Agile methodologies, DevOps practices, and CI/CD pipelines revolutionized application development, making it smoother, faster, and more efficient than ever before. The rapid growth of data, expected to reach 175 zettabytes by 2025, is largely due to IoT devices. Gartner predicts that 75% of enterprise data will be processed outside traditional centers. To address these challenges, this approach improves response times, transfer rates, security, and enables content caching, service delivery, data storage, and IoT management. So, there you have it. The remarkable evolution of applications, from monolithic applications to edge computing, technology paved the way for flexibility, scalability, and efficiency, while improving infrastructure management, focusing on the user. For this reason, the technology of the future is already available for all of us. Move to the edge.